Hey viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Steps First. So in this video I am sharing some beautiful pictures of Selena Gomez and Zayn Malik. Zayn Malik and Selena both are interesting in each other and they want to date each other, even they are dating. Selena remained the ex of Justin Bieber. Even Zayn Malik remained the ex of Gigi Hadid. But after breakup, they both united and in a relationship. Some rumors said they are getting ready to get married. These lovebirds are seen at the same time at the same place and most of the places, such as picnic, even other country tours. So guys, do you like Selena and Zayn couple? So please comment. Thank you.